In this video, we are going to discuss about some basics of MATLAB. Let's assign a value to a variable x equal to 5, enter. Here we are getting an echo of our command. Our command is x equal to 5, this one, and we are getting the echo x equal to 5. This is the echo of our command. If we want to remove this echo, just type x equal to 5 semicolon, enter. Here we didn't get the echo. There are so many uses of semicolon in MATLAB. Okay, let's see another use of semicolon. So here the semicolon just remove the echo, and also the semicolon will help us to end the command. It tells the MATLAB the command is ended, so it enables us to write multiple commands in one line. Let's see how it can do. Type x equal to 6 colon y equal to 5 colon z equal to 4 colon, as we didn't need any echo of z. Here we have x equal to 5 and only x variable is generated, and enter. Here we got y, z. So the semicolon is used to terminate or end the command. The most important thing is the variable will be the name of the matrix and the values assigned to the variable are the elements of the matrix. Here we assign the value 6 to the variable x. In the workspace you can see 6 is assigned to the matrix x. This square symbol represents matrix. Here x is a matrix with the element 6. You can see when we place our cursor on this, we are getting 1 by 1 double. It means the dimension of the x matrix is 1 by 1. We have only one row and one element. That is only one element we have in the matrix x. If we want to create a matrix, when we assign an array of values or string of values to a variable, the MATLAB will store those values as elements of the matrix. It doesn't matter how many values we assign to the variable. The MATLAB will store all those values in the format of matrix. Let's assign array of values. Type the values within square brackets. Step 1. We can write comma, or we can simply put space between the elements. Here I just place space instead of comma. So comma and space are treated as same in this operation. As we didn't need any echo of x, just semicolon and enter. Here the value of x is updated. The dimension of the x is also updated. That is 1 by 4. It is saying that the number of rows are 1 and the number of columns are 4. Those are 1, 3, 4, 5. These are the column elements. If you want to create a 2 by 2 matrix, we can use semicolon to create it. X equal to 1 comma 2 semicolon 3 comma 4 square bracket, enter. The matrix is created. Let's see the dimension of the matrix. It is 2 by 2. Like this, we can create n number of n by n dimension matrix. Just remember that whatever values we give to variables, that will be stored as matrix, and the operations also will be performed as matrix. Let's create a matrix that overrides or that overcomes the rules of matrices. Let's create a matrix y equal to 1 comma 2. These are the elements of first row, and let's keep an extra element in the second row. These 2 are the elements of first row, and these 3 are elements of second row. But in mathematics, can't represent a matrix like this. Just click on enter. So you got an error. The red content means it is an error. The error is dimensions of arrays being concatenated are not consistent. We got an error because the MATLAB follows the all rules of matrix. The full form of MATLAB is matrix lab. It performs operations on matrices, and it stores the data in matrices, and it analyzes data in matrices. So we got the name MATLAB.